In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Facebook Marketplace seller rating. By the end, you'll know exactly where your rating lives inside Facebook Marketplace and what to expect when you open your profile. First, open Facebook and head straight to Marketplace. You can do this from the main Facebook homepage by selecting the Marketplace icon. On desktop, it usually appears in the left-hand menu. On some layouts, it may be near the top. The key is to make sure you're actually inside Marketplace, not just on your regular Facebook profile or news feed. If the Marketplace homepage loads with categories, search, and local listings, you're in the right place. Once you're in Marketplace, look to the left side of the screen for your profile area. You should see your profile picture or a small profile icon specifically within the Marketplace navigation. This is your Marketplace profile access point, which is different from your standard Facebook timeline. Click your profile icon there to open your Marketplace account panel. Next, choose View Profile. This opens your dedicated Marketplace profile page. Think of it as your seller's storefront inside Facebook. It pulls together your public marketplace details like your listings, basic info related to marketplace activity, and importantly, your seller rating. On this profile page, your seller rating appears under your marketplace profile details. It's typically shown as a star rating, and you may also see the number of ratings you've received. If you have buyer feedback tied to Marketplace, that rating summarizes how other people have experienced buying from you. If you don't see a rating yet, that usually means you either haven't completed enough sales for buyers to leave ratings, or buyers haven't submitted feedback. In some cases, ratings can take a little time to appear after recent transactions. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account, especially if you manage more than one. The layout of Marketplace can vary slightly between desktop and mobile. The profile icon might appear in a different spot, but the steps are the same. Open Marketplace, go to your Marketplace profile icon, select View Profile, and look under your profile details. If your rating doesn't display, it often comes down to limited activity or no reviews yet, rather than a technical issue. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook Marketplace, access your Marketplace profile, select View Profile,